If you're a YouTube creator or freelancer, one of the biggest headaches is dealing with copyright claims and figuring out which music platform actually keeps your upload safe. So let's compare Artlist and Epidemic Sound in 2025. When it comes to monetization, both platforms let you earn from your videos without worrying about takedowns. But Epidemic Sound takes it a step further. Once your channels are linked, every upload is automatically cleared across YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram. No forms, no waiting, no random claims popping up. Artlist, on the other hand, gives you a lifetime license for the tracks you download. That's great for long-term ownership. But if you're posting across multiple platforms or client accounts, you'll need to double check how each use is covered. In rural use, creators notice Epidemic Sound feels more automated. You just upload and forget about copyright. Artlist system is reliable but slightly more manual when it comes to verifying rights across platforms. So for full peace of mind, especially if you post on several channels or handle content for others, Epidemic Sound just feels smoother and safer day to day. If you want a music platforms that clears every upload automatically and keeps your monetization worry free, Epidemic Sound is the one I personally recommend.